Broil King Smoked Charcoal Grill is designed for authentic Southern cookhouse classics like fall-off-the-bone ribs, delicious pulled pork, and mouth-watering brisket. The large cooking chamber provides plenty of space for low and slow smoking or high-temperature charcoal searing. The lid and body are made of durable 2mm steel and finished with a quality high-heat black finish. Made to last and designed for authentic barbecue flavor, the lid is equipped with a heavy-duty stainless steel handle. Broil King's premium cast iron cooking grids are reversible. One side is pointed to give you perfect grill marks, and the other side is grooved to capture juices for continuous basting while you cook. The fully adjustable dampers are made of heavy-duty cast aluminum. They allow precise cooking by controlling the airflow throughout the cooking chamber. Open the lid to access the charcoal trays and add your favorite wood chips or chunks to enhance the flavor. The ashtray is located on both side doors for easy removal. The large front shelf has ample space to prepare grilled and smoked foods. This convenient shelf comes with 4 tool hooks to keep all of your grilling necessities close at hand. 2 8-inch crack-proof wheels provide easy mobility, while the other 2 leveling feet stabilize and secure the grill in place. A sturdy lower shelf provides added strength and storage to the cart base. Enjoy a cold beverage with a handy bottle opener. Made of durable chrome-plated steel, it'll always be there when you need to quench your summer thirst. Now let's take a look at how easy it is to use your Broil King Smoked Charcoal Grill. Before you begin, it's a great idea to season your cast iron cooking grids. This keeps food from sticking and prevents rust. Make sure both the cookbox lid and the doors are wide open. This lets the maximum amount of air in to fuel the fire. The ideal fuel for your smoker is natural lump charcoal. Add your Broil King charcoal onto the charcoal tray. A great way to add smoky flavor to your food is to add some soaked wood chips or chunks to your charcoal. Begin to adjust or choke down the dampers when the temperature is about 25 degrees below your target temperature. Once the desired temperature is reached, place your food on the cooking grids. After cooking and while the grill is still hot, use a wire grill brush to keep your grills clean and be ready for your next party. Putting out the fire is quick and easy. When you're finished cooking, simply close the lids and the dampers. It's recommended that you clean out your smoker between uses to avoid ash buildup. For direct grilling, fill the trays with charcoal to create the direct heat source for grilling steak, chicken, and vegetables. Adjust the dampers to control the temperature. Depending on what you're cooking, it might be useful to create a 2-stage fire. Fill one charcoal tray with lit charcoal and leave the other one empty. This creates a high heat area for searing and a lower heat area for indirect grilling and smoking. Finally, to protect your investment, it's a great idea to get a cover for your Broil King Smoked Charcoal Grill. This will keep it safe from the elements and keep you grilling and smoking delicious food for years to come. Enjoy fall-off-the-bone ribs, tasty and tender brisket, roast chickens, turkeys, or your favorite vegetables. Broil King Smoked Charcoal Grill is designed for authentic Southern cookhouse classics, and it's the perfect addition to your Broil King family and yours. Broil King. Great barbecues every time.